My name is Patrick Highsmith, and I'm the President and CEO of Lithium One. Lithium One is a purpose-built developer of high-value lithium assets, founded by a board that's seasoned in the capital markets and experienced at delivering value for shareholders in the minerals business. We put a team together that knows how to execute and deliver technical results from the field, and the end goal of this company is low-cost lithium production. We all are using lithium in our lives. We're carrying around phones, Blackberries and other PDAs, and of course laptop computers. And in fact, all this excitement about lithium batteries, there's actually a real reason for it physically and chemically, and it's pretty simple. For its weight, it can carry and discharge 3 times more electricity than any other element. So really, lithium is the ultimate evolution of battery technology. The lithium industry is really at the threshold of a completely new business. The world's future electric and hybrid vehicles will make use of a lithium battery-powered platform. And in that sense, we're going to see growth in the lithium demand, and that's good for potential suppliers of lithium like Lithium One. If one looks out at the potential electric vehicle market, and if we see 10% of the new car sales in the world being electric vehicles by 2020, that would constitute a need for approximately 250,000 tons of lithium carbonate a year. These partnerships, these relationships between the producer and the ultimate manufacturer and end user create a real opportunity for new quality lithium production. The Sal de Vida lithium brine project is in northwest Argentina. It's near the Chilean border on the boundary between the Salta and Catamarca provinces. This is a mining region of Argentina, and most importantly, this part of the world, combined with Chile right across the border, produces more than 70% of the world's lithium. The FMC Corporation operates a mine called the Phoenix Mine, and they, from the western half of Salar del Hombre Muerto, produce about 14% of the world's lithium. Lithium One has acquired the eastern half of this dry lake bed, and the brines just below the surface are the source of the lithium and potash that can be produced there, and we have the eastern half of the same lake bed that FMC operates from. Systematic sampling over a large area, more than 200 square kilometers. We've sampled that near-surface brine and tested it thoroughly. Our average lithium values are about 650 ppm or 800 milligrams per liter lithium. Those are virtually identical to the grade at the next door FMC Phoenix mine. Our potash values are about 0.7 weight% potash, virtually identical to the grades that FMC's reported from their operation. And perhaps most importantly, what seems to be unique in Argentina at least from Salar del Hombre Muerto is very favorable magnesium to lithium ratios. Magnesium is an important penalty element. It inhibits the recovery and the purity of the lithium at the end of the day and can increase the cost of production. Well, our magnesium to lithium ratio is 1.65 to 1, and FMC's has always been reported between 1.5 and 1.6. Again, virtually identical to their long-established results from their operation. So when we look at the comparables around, we see much higher than average grade of lithium and potash, and this very favorable penalty element chemistry with very low magnesium in particular. So we'll put out a 43101 compliant resource in the second half of 2010. And we'll progress from there through a pre-feasibility decision by the end of 2010. The James Bay lithium pegmatite project is in the north of Quebec in the James Bay region, so it represents one of the best hard rock lithium projects in the world. Perhaps the best thing going for the James Bay pegmatite project is that we have much higher than average lithium pegmatite grades at the surface in an open pit mineable geometry, with excellent infrastructure, and it's in the best mining jurisdiction in the world in Quebec. This one stands out as being eminently explorable, excellent grades, good continuity, and right now we've sent the data on to SRK Engineering, who will be giving us a resource calculation there, also here in the middle of 2010. So we'll soon see a National Instrument 43101 compliant resource at James Bay. We expect it to be large and have a very good grade for lithium in hard rock, and we expect it to lend itself to open pit mining and conventional processing. Lithium One was purpose-built for this point in time. We looked at the lithium market, we saw an opportunity. Our board moved in and organized this team and founded a strategy based on the best projects, executing in the field, and applying discipline to that science and to our financing strategy. We had great performance through 2009. In fact, we're recently recognized by the TSX Venture Exchange as a member of the Venture 50, one of the top 10 performing mining stocks on the exchange, returning about 10 times growth to our shareholders over the year. I've been very excited to be part of it and to see the technical meshing so well with the business. It's really why we're in the resource business. Lithium One represents a great opportunity to be part of a truly emerging sector, an actual new business. We have a great team of people and only the best projects. I couldn't be happier with the progress we've made so far, and I'm pleased to be a part of it.